You are in Madrid, it's summer, it's so hot, you don't know where to go, and you have kids. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do.
It's 95 Fahrenheit or 35 Celsius outside. El Retiro Park is closed. They close it when the temperature reaches this type of temperature or higher. So there's not much to do if you are in Madrid in the summer and you don't take siesta or you have kids. That's why today we're doing a super fun plan with the kids. We're going to the Planetarium of Madrid. Come join us.
So here's the thing, every time I try to protect my children from UV rays, I feel like a sunscreen ninja. One wants it on, the other one is yelling, and suddenly it's a full-blown negotiation. But the Madrid sun, it doesn't play around. If you're coming, sunscreen is a non-negotiable. Before or after you visit the planetarium, take some time to explore the green areas around it. This whole place is part of Parque Enrique Tierno Galván, and it's honestly one of Madrid's hidden gems for families. What I love the most is that it doesn't feel packed at all like other parks in Madrid. You actually get some peace.
Definitely the smart thing to do here. There's a family behind me that got spray bottles full of water and blankets and snacks, and they have their kids in swimsuits running around the grass trying to climb trees and stuff. Troy, puppy been perfect, great. So now we are on a mission. This is what just happened with him. I'm gonna go see if I can wash him. I'm trying to look for water, but everything seems like I don't know. Seems pretty empty, and it doesn't seem like there would be water fountains around here, but I'll do my best to get one. Later on, we're gonna go inside the planetarium. For now, we're gonna try and find a picnic spot to have snacks.
I thought I brought enough water for our afternoon, but I was wrong. My toddlers looked like a tomato, and it was 4:30 p.m. Madrid in the summer is hot. And this park that we found, by the way, where we had a bit of a pit stop, was shaded for the most part, but even then, it's just really hot in Madrid. So again, warning, bring a lot of water and snacks. By the way, this epic playground that's literally designed like a spaceship is so cool and awesome. You can climb it, slide out of it, and shout, "I'm an astronaut." It was fun for the kids, it was fun for the adults. As I said, it's shaded and it has a space for everyone. The big ones, the little ones, the medium sized, the small ones. So pretending to fly to Mars here was the highlight of our day. Highly recommended.
Park, it's absolute clutch because it's actually shaded, you guys. It's so hard to find a park in Madrid that is shaded. It's pretty empty because I think that no one knows about this but you and I. So it's a great option for the summer. They also don't close it like they close Retiro Park. So there you go. I'm telling you, this is the best park. And after you get tired from here, you can go to the planetarium, hopefully get some nice AC, and then go have dinner with the kids.
After 45 minutes to an hour here, it was 5 p.m. and we were melting, so we stepped into the planetarium as soon as it opened. Cue the air conditioning, the dark lights, and kid-friendly people. No eye rolls, no looks, just people who genuinely enjoyed seeing kids. Honestly, I felt like I entered a spa for tired parents. It was exactly what we needed. And some fun facts. This place is cooler than I expected. Did you know that the planetarium opened in 1986, but it was totally renovated in 2017? Now it has this massive 17.5 meter dome, and they have amazing projection shows, by the way, that we couldn't go to because we have toddlers, but they do have some services for toddlers in the mornings, I think on Sundays, which we plan to come in the future. But we're talking about award-winning full dome shows with 3D journeys through space. black holes, Mars, galaxies. We saw Mars up close, we saw the moon. There are also art pieces inspired by space. It seems like every few months the planetarium surprises you with fresh shows, cool gadgets, and new ways to engage. I'm really looking forward to this because this is a place I want to come back to and experience different things about space and learn new things. And one of the coolest things, we saw a provisional spacesuit designed by a Spanish engineer, Emilio Herrera, over 30 years before NASA made theirs. He was a total visionary, and yet so few people in Spain even know his name. That suit was like a piece of history just sitting right there. And before we left, we of course stopped by the gift shop at the planetarium. I loved this place because it's part shop, part mini library, full of astronomy-themed goodies, stationery, educational toys, space books, and even crafts. Everything is designed to deepen the whole space experience. I loved this, and we of course bought a book for the kids to bring home and read about space.
There's a rule that the Spanish people follow that we haven't been able to follow, and we should stop not following it because I totally get it. We shouldn't be out on the streets from 2-ish, let's say 3 till 6. You shouldn't. So the museum opens at 5, and you can see that now the fountains are on, everything is beautiful, the sun is much more pleasant now, and they even have a party here. Everyone's out, everyone's having fun. So definitely if you come at 4 like we did, you're gonna have the park all to yourself if that's an interest, but make sure that you bring snacks, hey, and that you bring a lot of water. Please bring water for the kids, sunscreen, and then head to the planetarium to take advantage of the AC too. It's a really pleasant time. Honestly, we killed like 2 hours and a half today, and it was great. And now we're gonna go have dinner. We're gonna have pizza. We have pizza every Saturday. I'm so excited.